So tell us a little about where we're going right now. What are we going to see right now? It's more than 11 miles.
Correct. It's 11.4 miles of river and land border. Okay. This area belongs to the El Paso station, which is one of the stations in the El Paso sector. This area is probably the busiest area in the country at the moment, with illegal entries and so forth.
When you say a lot of activity, I mean, what are we talking about on a daily basis?
For the most part, it's single adults. Usually, for the most part, they're Cubans. Family units are some Cubans. For the most part, they are Guatemalans, El Salvadorans, Hondureños, from Nicaragua. Pretty much that northern triangle region.
Why so much activity from just those three countries? I mean, is the word out that if you're coming from that region, you're going to probably be able to stay?
The word is definitely out. I mean, they have advertisements by radio. You listen to your radio on your way to work, on your way to the grocery store, and that country's advertising. If you want the American dream, we'll help you out, and we'll help you. We'll teach you how to get it in the United States. So there's Mexico on the south side, Mexican highway. They just run across the river, and they look for an agent.
I mean, the river's dry right now,
Right.
so it's easy to get through.
Correct.
Mexico is right over there.
Yes, ma'am. And then, of course, they run up.
Who is this running right here?
This is a family group that's just crossed.
A family group is just crossing while we're right here, right now?
Yes. ¿Usted, joven? No? Okay. Just west of the Chihuahua entrance.
Where were you going to go? What was your plan? Where are you going to go?
Aquí a Estados Unidos por Oklahoma City.
Did somebody tell you in Honduras that you would be able to stay and get to Oklahoma if you crossed?
¿Alguien le dijo en Honduras que podía cruzar por aquí y irse a Oklahoma?
Sí.
Sí. ¿Quién le dijo?
Mucha gente.
A lot of people told me. We have another group that's coming up over here. Basically walk till they find an agent and they turn themselves in.
So they want to see you right now.
Definitely.
They want to get apprehended.
Like I said,
they want to get processed.
They want to get processed, give in the papers, then they go north, and they have legal papers to be wherever they're going to be at. The cartel attempted to kidnap his sisters. So they screamed out of fear, and of course afterwards they ran. They were able to evade.
Because the girls were screaming.
Because the girls were screaming, and they ran, and they were able to prevent them from being kidnapped. They're by themselves.
How long have they been
¿Cuántos años
traveling by
tienen, mija?
themselves?
She's 10 years of age, tu hermanita? 10 years of age and 8.
10 and 8, and you've been traveling alone for how long?
¿Dónde se te perdió tu mamá?
Luego ya no volvió.
Okay. They were traveling. Their mom set them down. She said she was going to go buy something for them to eat and never returned.
How long has she been traveling with the baby?
¿Usted tiene cuánto viajando con la bebé?
Es 2 meses.
2 meses, 2 months.
2 months. Took you 2 months to get here from Ecuador.
Llorando porque ya no hay leche. No puedo. Es que yo también estoy sin
So
comer.
this is the baby is hungry right now because she hasn't eaten, and as a result of that, then she can't produce any breast milk for her child to eat.
What danger the kids are in?
Undoubtedly, ma'am. Undoubtedly. 10 years and 8 years of age.
And for 2 months, this infant is in her mother's arms. This whole area was being controlled by the drug cartels.
Yes.
And then the bollard fence went up.
The bollard fence went up. As a result of that, now you have children, as you see here, coming out, playing. You have families going out for walks. It's a bollard-style wall. It goes down 4 feet, 18 feet high. Inside it's initially hollow. Then we put rebar in there and then fill it up with concrete. So there's nothing hollow about it. completely solid.
So the drug cartels in Mexico know exactly the border, know exactly the vulnerabilities.
Yes.
And that's it. They just know.
Yes.
They're going to do what they do.
Yes.
Wow.
And of course, they're the ones that are winning this.
What do you say when you hear in the media that they're saying this administration, the border control, ICE, they're putting kids in cages, they're locking people up, these are humanitarian crises? What do you say to them?
I say first, I'm a father. I'm a father of 2 children. I go home with my head held high, knowing that I don't do any of that stuff. All I can do is do my job and do it to the best of my ability. And that's what we do as an agent. All our agents.